Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting. 2025 is shaping up to be a game-changing year for scooters, and we're here to break it all down for you. Whether you're a scooter enthusiast, a commuter looking for a smart ride, or just curious about what's new in the world of two-wheelers, this video has got you covered. Scooters have come a long way over the years, and 2025 is proving to be no exception. This year, we're seeing some incredible advancements in electric scooters, smart technology, and even some surprising innovations in fuel efficiency for traditional models. The demand for eco-friendly transportation has been on the rise, and manufacturers are pushing the limits to deliver high-performance, stylish, and sustainable options. One of the biggest trends in 2025 is the rise of electric scooters with extended range and fast charging capabilities. Companies are focusing on improving battery technology to ensure that riders can travel longer distances without worrying about running out of power. Some of the top models this year boast ranges of over 100 kilometers on a single charge, making them ideal for both urban and suburban commuters. Plus, fast charging options now allow users to get back on the road in under an hour. Another exciting development is the integration of smart features. Many 2025 scooters come equipped with AI-powered navigation, real-time traffic updates, and even voice control. Imagine being able to ask your scooter for the fastest route to your destination or receiving automatic alerts about road conditions ahead. Some models also feature keyless entry and app-based security systems, ensuring that your scooter stays protected at all times. For those who still prefer traditional fuel-powered scooters, 2025 has some interesting surprises. New models are being designed with hybrid technology, offering a combination of fuel efficiency and lower emissions. These scooters provide better mileage than ever before while keeping running costs low, making them a practical choice for daily commuters who aren't ready to switch to electric just yet. Another major talking point this year is the design evolution. Scooters in 2025 are more stylish, aerodynamic, and customizable than ever. Companies are focusing on sleek, futuristic designs that not only look good but also enhance performance. Lightweight materials and improved ergonomics make for a smoother, more comfortable ride, whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising on the highway. Safety is another crucial factor that manufacturers are prioritizing. Advanced braking systems, anti-theft mechanisms, and even self-balancing technology are being introduced to make riding safer and more accessible for everyone. Some high-end models now feature automatic emergency braking and collision detection, ensuring that riders stay protected in all situations. Of course, affordability remains a key consideration for many scooter buyers. The good news is that 2025 offers options for every budget. While premium models come packed with the latest tech, there are also plenty of budget-friendly scooters that don't compromise on performance and reliability. Government incentives and subsidies for electric vehicles in many regions are also making it easier for people to make the switch to greener transportation. So, whether you're looking for an electric scooter with cutting-edge features, a fuel-efficient hybrid, or a stylish and affordable ride, 2025 has something for you. The scooter market is evolving rapidly, and there's never been a better time to explore the latest models. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in two-wheelers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.